a civil engineer, graduated in 1974. I've been following ECCE for many years, since its creation, I could say, and I've been president of ECCE 2019-2021. As far as it concerns the challenge ECCE has faced, ECCE had no really internal problems. I mean, it was an organization with a perfect collaboration between the member states. I think that the biggest challenge we face is the current situation of climate change, digital technologies, new ways of working, and globalization. All these, let's say, new things about our profession are the big challenges that ECCE has to face. Let's say most important initiative that during my presidency we have started a manifesto about the 3S approach, which means that we were trying to convince the society that safety of buildings and structural integrity must go first when we have to do some interventions to existing structures. Well, as far as I know, ECCE is the only pan-European civil engineering organization. It is an umbrella organization for civil engineering profession, and what we had really succeeded is to make our profession more visible and give it the place it deserves, because we have to admit that civil engineering has shaped the modern world, and it was rather misregarded some past years. You could hear everything about architecture and architects, but little thing was written about civil engineers and the achievements of civil engineering. So this is what makes ECCE special. It was the very good climate and colleagues, climate of collaboration between the members of ECCE that made me not to hesitate to take the leadership of ECCE for these 3 years. So I think it is a very good family and a very good team to lead, because they are all of them distinguished personalities. The most precious things that we had elaborated in ECCE is our ethics, our ethical code, which is a very essential, part of our professional profile. There's no engineering without ethics, because we know that our plans, our actions, our constructions are very, very essential for society. We are doing social work, so we have to be conscious that our work has a very great impact to society. So that's why we think that civil engineers should not be educated only in mechanics, but also in humanities, and we are trying to cultivate to young civil engineers the profile of a globally educated person. Normally, engineers are thought to be problem solvers, and we have to continue be like that, because the problems now are much more difficult from what, let's say, the historic era of engineers, which was the Industrial Revolution, demanded. On the biggest problem that I can see for the upcoming period, which is the aging infrastructure of Europe. And I think that civil engineers have a major role to play on the update and upgrade of the aging infrastructure all over Europe. I think this will be the major problem for the next years to come.